the way this works is quite simple actually. There is a wireless mouse right here. I have put this thing to hold this thing in support. The wireless mouse basically turns. When I turn this thing, the mouse turns, and that is translated into the input for the steering wheel for the software. Left click is acceleration, right click is braking, and that's how I got the accelerators and brakes to work. And this is the brake, and you also have the springs here to make it a little bit better. You can also adjust the height of the steering wheel by you can be doing this as well. If you lower, you can lower it like this. You can decrease the height. This is one height, this is the other. Gears, here you can see the two mirrors. I can easily overtake this. Horn is there. Currently I'm going at 90 kilometers per hour. The speed limit is 80 kilometers per hour, but this is a driving simulator, so who cares? So if you can clearly see, this thing is controls is working. Steering non-linearity is on. Currently we have a resting place over there as per the maps, and I will be showing you how I will be taking rest in the truck as well. The truck has reached maximum speed. There is no clutch. This thing is using simple automatic. There is no clutch. This is only acceleration and braking. This is the brake to slow down, and this is basically the resting area. And I will be taking some rest right here in the parking area.